Today we do a heat resistance testing of different kinds of materials of the cups. PP, PET cup, PLA cups, cornstarch cups, sugarcane bagasse palm cups, PLA coated paper cup, CPLA spoon. Now the temperature is 93. PP cup first. No problem. PET cup. Oh, soft. Right down. Cornstarch cup. No problem. Sugarcane palm cup. No problem. PLA coated paper cup. No problem. PLA cups and these. PLA cannot hold hot. So you see, PLA PET cannot hold hot water higher than 60 degrees. CPLA spoon. Palm cup. Cornstarch cup. No problem. PP cup. It's okay. Sugarcane cup. It's okay. So we can see only PET and PLA cups cannot hold hot temperature.